Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Miguel. Today, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Claude Tag. Let me break it down for you. Now, Claude Tag is the newest feature released by Anthropic, which is pretty much just Claude in Slack. Whenever you connect Claude to your Slack workspace, you actually open up two different worlds of possibilities. First of all, whenever you actually talk with Claude inside of a channel, it's going to behave like its own AI employee, meaning that you can give it access to its own Gmail account, its own Google Drive account, its own Notion account. So it really does have its own personality. You can actually even give it multiple roles according to the Slack channel where it is. So, for example, if you wanted to have quote unquote a legal role inside of the legal channel, you can absolutely do that. And you can set permissions to what it has access to according to each and every single channel that you actually put it in. On top of that, you can also give it access to different accounts and different tools. Now, something that you do have to note is the fact that if you have guests inside of your actual channel, it's actually not going to respond to people. That's a setting that you actually have to touch yourself. So whenever you actually use it inside of channels, it really does behave more like an agent, so similar to Cloud Code and Cloud Cowork, and less like an assistant. Now, you can also send direct messages to Claude, and this is the second option that you have. Whenever you actually send messages to it through Slack, it's going to use your own connections. So it really is going to behave just like Cloud Cowork inside of the desktop application. You can simply prompt it like you would do, and you can ask it questions regarding your own information. Now, the way that I'm actually just remembering this stuff is its own employee, it's in another channel, and your own information is inside of the DMs. So Claude is going to also be able to just behave proactively. You can give it scheduled tasks, so ask it to run a task every single Monday, Tuesday, etc. Now, this comes down to the use cases that I found. This is something that I found on X. Right now, I haven't had the time to set up all of this for myself, but these are a few fantastic ideas on what you can actually achieve thanks to Claude Tag. Now, first of all, right here on the left, you have a few examples on how you can actually use the fact that Claude Tag remembers everything inside of a single Slack channel to your advantage. So, for example, if you put it inside of the client channel for each and every single one of your clients, it can behave as your own client account manager. So, your clients will be able to ask it questions if they ever have one. It's also going to be able to close the gap between setters and closers for your sales teams. So if you ever forget to log information into the CRM, for example, Claude is going to be able to just be able to retrieve that information inside of the channel. Last but not least, it can help you keep track of all of the information that's inside of an entire channel and every single conversation. Second, you can also use it for community listening. So just being able to read everything that has been said inside of an entire channel is something that's extremely useful because it's going to help you out with reporting and also things such as a content pipeline. So you can think of this really like a hybrid of OpenClaw, Hermes, Cloud Code. It really does behave like its own instance. Another thing that's super useful is the fact that, well, a lot of information actually lives on Slack because we just communicate via Slack. You can actually use it to close the gap between the communication on emails, your project management tools such as Trello or Notion, and then you can ask it to just every single day check everything that was said inside of the channel and just send it off. For people who are developers, just being able to also fix bugs directly from Slack is also something that's extremely useful. Plus, it actually behaves as a multiplayer application now, meaning that if you have multiple people inside of a single channel, you can all prompt together Claude. So if, for example, someone sends a piece of information and Claude starts working, a second person can come in and correct if they ever missed a piece of information. Now, this is everything that you need to know about Claude Tag. It's actually being built as a separate application right now for the people who are inside of the Teams billing. You actually get $2,000 for usage. Just letting you know that this over time will probably be quite expensive, but it's a fantastic moment to try out to see if this type of tool is something that your organization can use. Now, this is everything that you need to know, and I'll catch you in the next video.